Hi, this is Rob with Kyloe Partners, and I'm going to show you today how to create a submission packet or a profile. So we're going to start on the job order, and we're going to launch our doc merge. All you have to do is figure out which candidate you want to create a profile for. So in this case, we're going to create a profile or a submission packet for Lucy Bennett. Now, because Lucy is getting submitted to the job number 779 for the registered nurse, our smart template and start checklist is going to pull in all the relevant information, including what cover sheets needed, what credentials are needed, any files or references, and pull that all into a smart builder for us. So all we have to do is very quickly create the cover sheet, look over the credentials that are coming from the credentials tab on the candidate record, pull in a file, which is the skills checklist here, and then create 2 documents with the references information. And once all of that is complete, all we have to do is staple it together. Once it's complete, it will save back to the candidate's record. You'll end up with a document just like this.